Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nester, and we thank you for visiting us on our Thomas channel, where we do reviews and box opening. Make some comments down below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, and what y'all think we should review. As always, we're going to have a link for these products down in the comments. Click on them links and support us.
All right, you guys. Guess what? We got something new for you. We trying out something new. We got an Amazon mystery box, a $50 Amazon mystery box. We don't know what it is. You see, it's got the Amazon tape on it. We bought it for $50 at a liquidation spot. So we get ready to see what's in here. I don't have my grandpa knife day to day, so I'm gonna use my grandpa fingernail. So let's get it. Oh, pop that. Oh, let's see what we got here. I see something pink. But wait a minute, let me move these flaps out of the way. Oh. Might be all the same thing. Let me see. What do we have here? What exactly do we have? Oh, we might have all the same thing. Oh man. What we got? What is this? It says made in China. Car storage bag, a pink. It says the seat car. It says the seat car tissue bag. So let's open this up. It looked like everything. Oh no, it's some different stuff in here. So we got 1, 2. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13. So we got about 20 of these, you guys. We got about 20 of these bags. I see something else in here too. Look like mass. Well, okay, let's go with this real quick. So we got about 20 of these, you guys. These are car storage bags. So they're pink. I guess. Oh yeah, oh this is for a tissue box. You can put a tissue box in here to get the tissues right out the front. This is I don't see, I guess you can do other little things with this. It's a little flap right here, you got a cover right here, you got two covers here.
Let me help you out.
And then what we got here?
We got guests coming in.
You go, hold it.
We got guests.
You might need my wife for this.
Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen.
I told you to do the video.
Let me help my husband out here. So, this is actually the bag that hangs on the back of your vehicle. So around your neck rest, you strap this on. And then this is for your kiddos in the back. You put your tissue in here. You put their little trinkets, your remote control. These are best probably for people with vans or SUVs. And look, then you can strap it on if you want to. There you go. It doesn't look like much, but this will help you for your everyday little trinkets that you need to put on here. Okay, now back to your regular schedule host.
Next up, we have 20 of those. So that was 20 of those in this box. So we'll see how that. And then in that thing we have travel utensils portable cleaning brush wipes. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 8 of those. 9. We have 9 of those. Yeah, we got to open one. This is where all the weight was coming from, these things right here. So let's open this thing up and see what we got. There's a little weight to it. So this is a travel utensil. As you can see, it has a little hook here where you can hold it. Let me unzip this. It's made of what? I guess a little like cotton.
Nylon.
Nylon. And then inside of here, we've got a fork, a spoon, a straw, hard straw. Oh, actually it's 3. Oh, this is a curved straw, and then we got 3 regular straws. This is a knife. And look, almost bronze colored. So this is a travel. So basically, if you don't want to use utensils like at the restaurant or somewhere, you just bring your own little travel utensil kit. Even your own straw, right there. Even a curved straw. So all that's right inside this little pouch.
And don't forget to put the tissue.
And you bring with you. Oh, and you got your own little tissue, your own little wipe here too. So that's what's inside this, and we got about 10 of those. That's real nice right there. Matter of fact, this right here is probably the money back right here with these alone. 10 of these right there. And next up, then we got 2 packs of masks. These are basically regular masks. I mean, it's 300 masks in each one of these. So it look like they have these little designs on them right there. So we have 2 of those in the box. This is nice right here. This right here. So put that over there. Next thing up, we have a stainless steel drain shield. This is basically a drain shield, guards your shower stall, drains against hair and other debris right here in the shower. So you put that right in the shower and keep the hair from clogging stuff up. We actually need that right there. And any questions, may chime. So got 1 of those in there. And the last item that we have in here looks like some sunglasses. These are limitless retro cat eye vintage sunglasses. They say cat eye vintage sunglasses. So let's open this baby up and see what we got here with this cat eye vintage sunglasses. Nice little pouch, limitless. Woo! Open this baby up. Cat eye. Look at you guys. Ooh, cat eye sunglasses. Check that out, you guys. Oh yeah, y'all already know what time it is. Yes, sir. Cat eye limited sunglasses. So that's all what came in our $50 mystery kit right here. You let us guys know in the comments. Do you think that we got our money worth here? $50. Like I said, we had 20. We got about 20 of these. We've got about 10 of these right here. I think personally we got our money back just with these alone. Then we got some masks, and then we got the cat eye glasses. These might be worth about, yeah, this let me do it. I don't gotta look those up. And then we got the drain. We're gonna keep these right here though. But hey, you guys, this is a $50 mystery
Amazon
box. Amazon, it's actually Amazon. Yep, this is a $50 Amazon mystery box opening. We're gonna be doing more things like this, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Like, subscribe, hit that bell for all the post notifications, and we're gonna see you on the next mystery box, baby.